Hello bachcho, let's read this question. Alkali and alkaline earth metals along the hydrogen and helium constitute H block elements. Okay, they have low ionization enthalpies, hence exhibit characteristics flame colorations. They have highly negative electrode potential, okay, and strong reducing agents. Their solutions in liquid ammonia are conducting and also act as strong reducing agents. Being stronger reducing agents than hydrogen, they are usually prepared electrolysis of their fused chlorides. Their oxides basic and the basic strength increases down the group. The solubility of carbonates and sulphates of alkali and alkaline earth metals shows opposite trends. The carbonates of alkaline earth metals and lithium carbonate decompose on heating, while the carbonates of other alkali metals do not decompose on heating. The bicarbonates of both alkali and alkaline earth metals on heating give carbonates. Okay, so the compound insoluble in acetic acid. Okay, the options are given. Option A, calcium oxide. Option B, calcium carbonate. Option C, calcium oxalate. And option D, calcium hydroxides. Okay, so here the key concept is, what is the key concept here? Okay, the key concept, the solubility factor, solubility, okay, depends on two factors, that is the compound lattice energy, okay, and solvation energy into the solution, that is the solvation energy. दो चीजों के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, राइट? तो अभी देखते हैं कौन सा कंपाउंड कैसे होता है. ठीक है, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड जो है, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए. ए जो कंपाउंड है, ए एसिटिक एसिड में, एसिटिक एसिड CH3 COOH, एसिटिक एसिड, weak acid. Okay, this is comparatively a base type of compound. Okay, calcium oxide. Okay, so they react in the solution. Okay, they react in the solution and produce calcium ethanoate, produce calcium ethanoate. Okay, so this compound calcium oxide easily soluble. Okay, and the next compound B, calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, right? Calcium carbonate. Okay, so this compound also CH3COH react with CH3COH and produce calcium ethanoate. Okay, and so this compound also soluble in acetic acid. Now we are looking for compound C, calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate. What about this? So now in this compound, what we see that this compound, we see calcium oxalate, and calcium oxalate is that compound of the from strong acid, the salts of strong acid HCOOH. This is oxalic acid, right? this is oxalic acid, and this is the salt. This is the salt of oxalic acid, right? So calcium oxalate is a salt of strong acid, and it is dipped into, it is soluble into acetic acid. It is not soluble in acetic acid because acetic acid is a weak acid. Okay, so this is the weak acid and this is the salt of strong acid. So salt of strong acid cannot decompose in acetic acid. Acetic acid weak acid है, और कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट क्या है? कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट है स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड का सॉल्ट. तो सॉल्ट जो है इसका सॉल्ट क्या होगा? ये डिकम्पोज नहीं करेगा क्योंकि ये स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड का ही है, बट एसिडिक एसिड वीक एसिड है तो ये डिकम्पोज नहीं कर पाएगा. ऑल्सो क्या है कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट का? क्या है कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट का बच्चों? क्या है? लैटिस एनर्जी हाई है एंड सॉल्वेशन एनर्जी इसका लो है. तो इस वजह से हमारा कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट इनसॉल्युबल है इन एसिडिक एसिड. नाउ ऑप्शन डी, और ऑप्शन डी में क्या बोला गया है? ऑप्शन डी में बोला है कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड CaOH whole 2. दिस इज द बेस टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड एंड इट इजीली soluble इन एसिटिक एसिड. ओके बच्चों, तो हमारा जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे ऑप्शन सी. ओके, दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट. This is our answer. Okay, so this is our answer, calcium oxalate. So I hope you understand it well. All the very best.